Hey guys, welcome back. Drip Coach here with Drip and Farm for Poverty, where we don't trust, we verify, and operate with integrity and transparency. Today, giving you an update on the portfolio that I created now about 12 weeks ago. So stay tuned. Crypto chaos got you spinning, watching the next meme token skyrocket while you're still trying to figure out your next move. Flapjacks brings clarity to the chaos with deflationary burns, fitness-driven utility, and a syrupy community that sticks together. This isn't just another token, it's a movement. Why stress when you can stack? Flip the game with Flapjacks at flapjacks.xyz. All right, so diving into this, there's actually a chart I wanted to show. It shows up on the phone, but it does not show up on here. It basically compares your portfolio against Bitcoin, and that is a nice, easy chart that I don't see. Here we go. Yep, I guess I didn't have it turned on. So, is this the one I want? Allocation? No, I guess this is it. Yeah, not quite. But basically, this is an easy way to see if you are outperforming Bitcoin with the portfolio that you created or not. And if you are not, then you have basically, as Raul Powell said, don't fuck up, you might have fucked up. But technically right now, we are still well into this bull run. We still have a good, solid, we'll call it 6 to 11 months ahead of us, maybe even longer if it's an extended cycle. We don't know what's going to happen, but based off of history, we at least have until the end of this year. We'll be safe and say the end of third quarter. So, it's not safe to make any kind of assumptions on how your portfolio is doing, especially if you mirrored this one. So this one is the don't fuck this up thesis coming from Raul Powell. So every week I check in on this, see how it's going. So as of right now, it has not performed on par with Bitcoin due to the fact that you have other assets in here that have performed poorly against Bitcoin. So all in all, it has a 2% gain, and then my smoking chicken fish has a negative 66% gain. So the portfolio as a whole is down 5%. And remember, this is also one that I'm quote unquote dollar cost averaging. So every week I come in here and buy $50 worth of Bitcoin, 30 worth of Solana, 10 of SUI, 5 of Doge, and 5 of smoking chicken fish. So right now, the entire portfolio is in the red. It does not look pretty at all, but we'll see how this shapes up when we get some more positive momentum in the crypto markets as a whole. Now over to the altcoin portfolio that I have. This was the one-time cost basis, so there is no dollar cost averaging in here, and the alts have taken a beating, and this portfolio is down 16%. So remember, the further you move out on the risk curve, basically moving out to any of the alts away from Bitcoin, and depending on how you swing, you might throw in Solana and ETH into those. So those top three, the further you move out away from those three, then the more risk and more volatility. So the more potential to make money, also the more potential to lose money. And these tokens will pump and dump at different times in the cycle. So everything follows Bitcoin, but they may lag behind, they may be right next door when Bitcoin pumps, so you have no idea what will take place. So in this one, there was $1,500 put in, again, about 12 weeks ago, and different allocations across all of these, I think I picked 12 or 13, I can't remember how many. And so far, it has, just like the other one, not outperformed Bitcoin. So this would be par for the course for pretty much anyone's portfolio at this stage, unless you had all Bitcoin, because we have seen nothing but some sideways chop, and depending on when you got in. So this portfolio was actually, it was made prior to the Bitcoin blow off top, or maybe it was made right after that. I don't actually remember when I made this, 12 weeks ago. So we might have already hit 80K, 90K, but either way, the alts take a bigger beating with Bitcoin whenever Bitcoin goes down a bit. So this is something that you just have to continue to check in on, because you can see with HBAR, it's up 106%. So this could be one, depending on what your thesis is, where you could sell various assets within this portfolio at different times. So I have different price targets for all of these, And I may not see any or all of those at different points in this potential altcoin bull run, but I am not selling any of these, even though some of them are actually in the green. Like my Cardano, it's not in this portfolio, but in my other one, it's still up about 2.5x, even though I expect it to go much higher. So that is the gamble. You have to kind of determine what your risk tolerance is and then plan accordingly. So you do not want to set it and forget it with these alts, because that's called round tripping your bag, where you will end up with nothing but dust left at the end of the cycle, and you'll be waiting, holding the bag for the next cycle. And some of these may or may not see another run in the next cycle. Some of these I picked here were contenders from the previous, and that's why I picked them, but there's nothing to say that they will do or perform well this cycle. So both portfolios down, this one down 16%, and the Bitcoin heavier one down 5%. So depending on where you're at, you might be seeing similar trends. All right, that's all I got for this update. Smash that HBO special, help a brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below, and until next time, live daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.
Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? Sprix Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real-world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.